Just thought I'd make a quick little video. Amp research side steps. They're sitting straight now. I should have done this before. But I had a gap. It wasn't coming up all the way right here, and it was going tight on that side. As you can see, I kind of got a mess on the ground. I took the cap off, cleaned it up, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, first things first. Get your step down. You're going to want to keep it down. And then you're going to want to disconnect the power or pull your fuse. So mine is right here. So I'm going to pull this fuse. All right, as you can see, I've got my fuse out. Don't got power going to the unit, so you can get started. All right, what you're going to need to get it off is this hex bit, W4. Try to get it to focus. But it's just a hex bit, W4. Of course, I got the stupid def tank in the way, but there's 3 bolts that you got to remove. There's this one up top, and one more back here. Kind of hard to see. All right, after you get these 3 bolts out, then you'll be able to get that cover off, which is right here. Depending on how dirty it is, it's kind of a pain in the butt, but you just gotta wiggle that thing free and it'll come apart. All right, as you can see, you got it apart. It's got a little cover right here. You're gonna wanna clean this off. Clean this pretty good. And the majority of your mess is gonna be up here. You're gonna wanna clean that out and then put a lubricant in there. Amp research says do not use anything with a silicone. So you can use like a soapy water to clean this up, a little degreaser, whatever you want to do. Get this all cleaned up, put it all back together with your lubricant in there. Make sure it's not silicone. So this is what I went with. Not sure if it's right, wrong, or otherwise, but it seemed to work great on the other side. So you just got to repeat this step on all 4 of your motors and you're good to go. I just used a degreaser and an air compressor and was able to get all the debris out of the gears. So now I'm going to spray some lubricant in there and put everything back together. I'll show you what I use. After you get everything back together, there's a couple other places you want to lube up that Amp recommends actually using a silicone for. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 points on both sides, and they just tell you to spray those with the silicone. Let that penetrate and clean up all the excess, and then repeat on every side step. Once you've got everything cleaned up, you can go ahead and put your fuse back in. And they should be back in action. Depending on where you live, if you're getting a lot of snow and dirt, it's recommended you do this maintenance fairly often to keep the wear and tear off those motors down so you don't have to replace them. I've had to do this a few times. That's why I thought I'd make a video, because it happens quite often. I live in Utah, a lot of snow here.